Say, look at this baby. And I want to get it. And do some payments. Look at him. I love him. Look at him. Oh, it's a baby. Should I get him? Look at this. Oh, come on, baby. Tomorrow, I'll make him back and put money on him. Look at him. Hi. Oh, he bit my hair. Look, this one bit my hair, bro. I told him to remember me. Because I'm unforgettable. Look at this thing. Sugar glider. Look at this bird.
Hopefully we get some good babies.
We also got a new boy hedgehog, and I will show y'all in the reveal video.